Hello and welcome. As you can see, I'm here by myself, and that is because Leah is on vacation, a much needed vacation, if I must say myself. So I'm going to present to you the January collection, which is fantasy and fairy tale, and I just love how it came out as a big fantasy fan myself. So I hope you'll come along on this little fairy tale with me, and I'll share with you my new favorite stuffy edition, which is the updated dragon. This is a forest dragon, and it's got the cutest little details on this tail and head. I just love how it came out. Our last dragon project was one of our most popular, so this one is just a beautiful new addition to the team. Our next felt project, we have the felt bleeding hearts that Krista made, and these are just so beautiful and detailed, and this is a really complicated construction on these flowers, so I'm just so impressed with how Krista was able to make these out of felt. We also have these super cute felt potions, and these have these little embroidered details on them, kind of giving us a little hint of what the potion might be for, but you can use your imagination when you're playing with them. I know I would love to put these displayed on my wall in my potion room. This one maybe for love, who knows? And moving into our seasonal projects, we have our little felt bow and arrow toy for the kiddos. If you want this to shoot, you could use something like a wire hanger in here. But these little arrows are just so cute with the heart detail. You can see. I will let you know they don't go very far, so you're not offering yourself up to danger. And next up we have the macrame wall hanger. And this is made out of our pink macrame cord, and it's just got I think this is one of the prettiest knots in macrame, and I just love how this looks. You could throw any plant in a pot right in there, or even your keys, and it's got this little wooden ring so that it can hang. Next we've got this Popup Castle that I designed out of cardstock, and it's got all these little interactive pieces here. Let me show you our you can see all the different rooms, and this lays flat, or you can open it up and you can see you pull here, and that door opens and closes, and it goes along. I'll show you this while we're at it. It goes along with our updated finger puppets, which we have. Those are the creatures. We have a little knight, a little wizard, and a princess, of course. And these fit perfectly in here, but these are also great solo toys, and I think these would all be a great project to make with any little ones in your life who like a little bit of fantasy. We'll just talk about the ones right in front of us. For our Valentine's Day items, we have these cute little treasure chests that you can keep your trinkets or your Valentine's Day treats in, and they open up and they have this little lock on them. And you can make these out of any color, but I love the gold paper particularly. I think that just looks so nice. We also have these little portal kind of style Valentine's Day notes that you can write on underneath or on the back, and then we also added just this little ribbon on top, so if you wanted to hang it on something, I think that would be really cute. But it's got a sun version and a moon version. And we also have this updated succulent wreath, and I really can't wait to see this in our new cardstock. I believe we're doing this in a dotted cardstock, and I just think it's going to be so beautiful. For the rest of our projects that we brought back, we also have the Pegasus to go along with our really cute little fantasy theme. This is one of my favorite stuffies personally. I just love this curly yarn hair. It's so soft and fun to touch, along with the cute little wreath that she's got around her neck and these wings. So if you want to make an exciting fantasy themed stuffy to go with your dragon, I think that these two make a lovely pair. And our second to last bring back project this month is this felt Pom Pom wall decoration, and we teach you how to make these heart-shaped pom-poms with our pom-pom makers and trim it away into this really cute little shape with beads and some wrapped detail on the handle. And for our last project that we brought back, we have the English rose. And if you haven't made this flower yet, boy, does it make an impact. And it is just one of my absolute favorite. This is a great beginner flower. If you're new to making paper flowers, we would absolutely recommend checking this one out. And finally, moving on to our new additions to our flowers and our paper plants, we have the Pushia. I believe that's how you say it, something like that. I looked it up right before we started filming, and this is a potted plant, and it's just got these really pretty cardstock blooms and some pencil detail. And for our paper plant this month, check out this insanely realistic crepe paper alocasia that Megan made. It's got painted details and Mod Podge on the surface to give it this shiny look. And I think this just looks so real. And as somebody that has a hard time keeping alocasias alive, I would love to have this in my house. And for our member make flower this month, we have the beautiful Morning Glory, and the shape on this is just so cool and unique. I cannot wait to see Megan teach you guys how to make this. I love the little twirling vines, and the color is my favorite color. And so if you want to join us for this live class, we will have it on January 17th, and you can come and make along with us. But in the meantime, if you are looking for any of our tools and materials to make any of these projects, you can find them in our shop, feltpaperscissors.com. If you're looking for the templates and tutorials, you can find them over on our website, leahgriffith.com. Thanks so much for joining us today, and we'll see you next month.